Hello, want to see me do some more art working on a mock-up for a plan book? Then you need to check this video out. Again, it's me, your old pal Max West. As you know, I draw both comics and I do children's picture books. And in this video for today, it's Wednesday, I'm working on a mock-up of mine. I want to start pitching Poison Ivy Gulch Saddles Up. This is a book we aim to crowdfund next year on Kickstarter. It's going to collect the first comic strips of the webcomic Poison Ivy Gulch set in the Old West. I drew all this in pen. I'm going to add in some colors now. I'm going to color in the mock-up here of Mayor Samuel's Sidewinder. I'm going to be using markers. Those are one of my favorite mediums to color with. Alright. Alright, let's see here. We'll just go get some, get an orange marker to work with. Alright, here we go. I got this. Alright, let's get a little more light here. Markers are a very good medium to work with when you're coloring. I mean, they go on very quick. They produce great color that reproduces well, especially, you know, if you're doing children's books or cartoons or comics or manga. Now, for the uninitiated, let me explain. Kickstarter, Kickstarter, it's a website that does something called crowdfunding. It's done to produce creative projects, video games, books, comic books, graphic novels, films, that kind of stuff. People give money, they pledge money, and in exchange based on their pledges, they get rewards. If you can get your work fully funded, then after some time, usually about 2 weeks, you get your money minus Kickstarter's cut and processing fees, and then you get your work funded, and you mail out rewards to your loyal customers. That's the long and short of it. Of course, that's probably a whole other video in itself. There's a science to crowdfunding, whether you use Kickstarter or whatever. This beach-colored marker, it's drying out. I'm going to have to get rid of it and probably get some fresh markers. Color in the mare's schnoz there. marker is drying out. That's one of the downsides of markers. Sooner or later they dry out. And most of them you can only use once. There are some brands of markers out there that you can refill. Copics, for example, they're expensive, but if you're willing to invest the money, you know, that can be a good purchase. Go. There we are. Just color in the mare's legs and then we'll be done. Alright. Probably for the first Poison Ivy Gulch book, I'm going to be printing it as a paperback in the Garfield size. Yeah, that's how the original Garfield comics were reprinted. And that was a very revolutionary form at the time. There we go. There is one finished drawing. Poison Ivy Gulch Saddles Up hopefully should be out next year. Make sure you check this out at poisonivygulch.com. That does it for today's video. Subscribe to my channel, hitting the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon too to make sure you're notified of new videos. Until next time, everybody, this is me, your old pal Max West, saying goodbye.